Guys, what's up? What's good? How are we feeling? How are we doing? Smashing our projects. We are in Amsterdam. Check it out. Right now I'm waiting for a bus. Look at this. I love it when cities don't cut the grass. Like, I love being in a jungle. Okay guys, now we're looking a little more like Amsterdam. Check this out. I want to get somebody right here by the bikes and by this canal. This is a classic. It's classic. And today, family, we're going to be using the 35mm f1.8. I think I haven't actually used this with the R8 yet. I actually think it might be the first time. For real, guys, look, but seriously, nobody's mowing the lawns around here. Like, look at this park. You're like, is this abandoned? No, that's just the style. Hey, excuse me. Hey.
Hi.
I do videos on YouTube and I take photos of strangers when I like their style, and you have a really cool vibe.
Oh.
So I was gonna ask if I could take some pictures.
Yes.
And I was, yeah? Okay, nice. Maybe we can do it just over here. And then Where are you from? Are you from here?
Yeah, I'm from here.
Okay, cool. Yes, I'm like,
Should I put it on or?
yeah, I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, maybe we can do a few here, and then which way are you walking? Are you walking anywhere near the canal?
I go on my bike.
Okay, all good.
Okay.
Okay, so maybe
I'm good at photos.
I'll tell you. Yeah. So this one first, just stand here like where the light is. Okay, boom. What's your name?
Yuka.
Yuka.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then if you hold like this, like your legs coming out a little more.
Sorry? Oh.
Kind of like this. Yes, boom, perfect. And then give me like a bit of a serious look. Yes.
I have to laugh.
They look good. Oh, sick. Awesome. Stay there. Man, so cool. One more like this. Same pose, and this time like looking in this direction, up here. Yes, that's it. And one like this. Are you actually from Amsterdam?
No, I'm originally from the east of the Netherlands.
Okay.
I think I live here for 9 years or something.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Good place. I'm from New Zealand.
Oh, nice.
But I live in Barcelona.
Oh.
And tomorrow I'm like flying back to New Zealand for a holiday.
Okay.
So Amsterdam, I'm
great.
coming here before. Like for a little trip first.
Oh,
yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah. But it's cool. First day in Amsterdam, so
Yeah, do you
it's
like
fun.
it?
It's cool. Can we try a few more just here in the sun?
Yes, of course.
Wait, do you want to see right now what I have?
Yeah. Oh, it's nice.
Yeah, look at these.
Oh my god. Thank you.
And these two, yes, they look super cool.
Oh, it's so nice of you.
Which way we're gonna go? Maybe this way? Yeah, come towards me a little bit. And then this way.
This is so random. It's nice. Like this?
Yeah. Oh, even more slightly, just a little bit towards me.
Yeah.
Where the sun is not too strong. Perfect. And then looking this way slightly. Yes, like that. Yes, looking towards me. Yes, and maybe can I get one with the bag? Like, should we do something maybe with the bag up here?
Like this?
Yeah, like this. And then maybe with this hand, kind of like this, just in the jacket. And then looking up in this direction again. Awesome, yeah, stay there. Super nice. Looking into the camera. Yes, look at this.
Oh,
with the sun.
Thanks.
Love these though. Awesome.
Thank you.
Okay, nice. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too. Enjoy Amsterdam.
Thank you. See you later. Okay guys, boom, first stranger. So let me just show you where we are because we're not actually in the center. I guess this is kind of like the west, maybe. But you guys can see this is like the center is in here in the middle, and then we're that blue dot there, so and then the Airbnb is up in this area here. So but actually I think tomorrow I'm gonna be heading into the center. So tomorrow in the daytime we can go in there and I can show you guys the chaos. But this evening while there's sun, I wanted to just go for a walk and see what's happening here. You guys, we're flying to Australia on Saturday morning. Check this out. This is sick. This is a classic Amsterdam canal right here. Take a look. Hey, how you doing? Hey, I'm taking a video. I take photos of people.
Yeah.
Yes, and I love your style. You look good. So I was gonna ask if you wanted a picture.
Yeah, baby. I'm not photogenic, but okay.
Yes, you can try. You look good. Where are you from?
Poland.
Poland.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Whereabouts?
Excuse me, what's the time?
Whereabouts in Poland?
Warsaw, city girl.
I love Warsaw. So Warsaw's awesome.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
really?
yeah.
But I'm here for now, so yeah.
But Warsaw is a cool vibe too. Yeah.
Yeah, indeed, it is. I miss it a lot, but.
Well, guys, give a shout out to our girl from Warsaw. Where are we feeling? Are you waiting right now for?
Yeah, for the tram.
Okay, so let's smash it in before the tram. We can just like do it here then if you want.
Of course.
Maybe can we get like one leg like this and then perfect like this hand coming up. Yes, stay like that. Do this like with your hair like that. Looks super nice. Damn, yeah, stay there. Yeah, stay like that. That looks really nice. Awesome. And how long have you been here in Amsterdam?
3 years.
Oh,
3
okay.
years, yeah.
And you like it?
Love it. Love
Yeah.
it.
Oh, yeah. This is the one. So maybe like this, like your hands just coming in again and just bring this like that. Yeah.
It's been a while since I
We good. And then your head coming slightly this way a bit. And then looking towards me.
Had to step my game up when you bring my name
It's
up.
your friend. She's like,
Thank you so much.
all good. You want to get a picture as well?
Yeah.
While I'm here?
Yeah, please.
Say,
sure,
why not?
do. Let's go.
Are you from Poland too?
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Go, Julia. Go.
Yes, Julia, vamos.
No, you alone.
Yeah. Yes, right here.
Slay girl. Here.
Yes. And where's the sun? A little bit this way? Yeah, I'm like getting this backlit with the sun. Looks super cool. Awesome, yes. And maybe just hold the glasses like this, like that. Perfect. Yes, Julia, yes.
How did this happen?
And then you want to try one more with the glasses?
Yeah.
Like this? You guys look great, seriously. Are you from Warsaw too?
Yeah. All the beautiful women come from Warsaw.
Warsaw's the bomb. Oh yeah, do that again. Oh, just stay like that again? Like, yeah. Oh yeah, super nice. And then you did one before just holding the coat like this?
Yeah.
And then you were, yeah, like this. Yeah, like that. Look at these guys.
Oh, love that. Oh,
Oh my god.
Please
Where
look
can
at
we
this.
find
Honest-
the pictures. Do
Look,
you
I
have
will.
Instagram or
Oh, that's sick.
because
I love
our
that.
tram is coming.
it.
You need to give us your Instagram, like
I will.
ASAP.
You guys go that way. You just hold it and go that way. Oh wait.
Chciałeś zdjęcia, to masz.
Love it.
Chciałeś zdjęcia, to proszę. Perfect. Thank you
Thank
so,
you.
Okay,
so
guys.
much.
Yes, have a good day. Bye. Okay, Warsaw in the house, Warsaw in the house. Shout out, guys, if you're watching from Poland. Man, see that? Do you guys remember when I was in Warsaw? One of my favorite cities to shoot in. Okay, guys, I'm out here taking pictures with my phone. And while we are waiting for strangers, let's just get some pictures of this because this street is fire. Like the street here and the park is just, I'm not sure if it's just my bus on the brain because I haven't seen green in so long, but I feel like the street looks super cool. And so does this green. And all of these bikes just chilling there, living their lives. Yes, bike, work it. Work it, looking hot, looking hot. To the left, to the left. Okay, look into the left a little bit. Damn, yeah. You're smashing it. Oh, Bella, what's some action? Okay, boom. Now I can call it street photography. Okay, guys, it's official. Amsterdam is beautiful. It's a vibe. It is seriously a vibe. So I feel like here in winter, probably not going to be a nice place. I'm not sure. You guys let me know what you think. For me personally, I hate the clouds. But here in summer, I mean, this is so beautiful. It's like so green. People are out. Look, that girl's even playing basketball in her heels. Damn. Yes, we have bro over here doing something. What are you doing, man?
It's architectural landscape.
Oh, yeah?
I'm doing the long exposure.
Okay, nice. For the water, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
To come down.
And how long?
It's 50 seconds.
50.
Yes.
Guys, he's taking a 50-second long exposure.
Okay.
Nice. To show you guys this, I found a new way home. I'm getting a ferry, which is going to take me down to the north. Well, going to take me up to the north, and then I'm going to walk from there. But how cool is that? And I actually think all of the ferries here are free. So, que bien. Hey guys, it's a new day. It's a new day. I'm flying out tomorrow. Well, no, I'm flying out this evening actually. So we're gonna get some last strangers here. I have like 3 more hours left in the city. Then we are gonna hit China. What? I just saw a guy come out of there and take a pee. That's a toilet? Okay, guys, that's a toilet in Amsterdam. I've never seen that in my life. Oh yeah, they're tripping. They're like buzzing out as well. Yeah, he's gonna go in there. These rooms here in front, guys, I guess this is like red light district. I don't know. I was like looking for it before to show you guys. But people before were just standing in there like waiting for people to come. But I guess everybody's busy right now. I feel like this. Look, you have little rooms and then I guess people just stand in there and wait for you to come in. That guy's loving it. That guy's getting money from the ATM. He's getting money from the ATM. Why is he getting money from the ATM? Oh, look, here are someone there. Wow, that was an unexpected little journey today, guys. Taking photos of strangers and we ended up in the red light district. Hey, sorry, excuse me?
Yeah.
Are you from here? Okay, no, I was just gonna ask a question. So I have a YouTube channel and I usually take photos of people when I like their style.
Okay.
And I'm loving your style. You look so
awesome.
vibrant.
Awesome.
So I was gonna ask if you wanted a picture.
Sure.
And then I can send it to you as well.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe one here by the...
Oh, okay.
Sorry if you're in a rush somewhere or going
it's fine.
somewhere.
Just trying to find my place where I'm going. What's
And
your
you-
name?
Brad.
Hi, Brad.
Yours?
Sandra.
Sandra.
Yeah.
Are you from Netherlands?
I actually used to live here, but now I'm in New York.
Okay, cool. Nice.
Thanks.
Okay, yeah,
I'm
so
not sure about the hair.
this one,
Yeah.
no, just standing over here
Okay.
first. We have that model wind. The wind is going crazy. And it looks so cool.
But
This
I
way.
want to take you picture.
Ah, okay.
Like you taking me.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Got it? Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, so maybe I'll get you like standing here and then I'll get this way. Yes, love that. See ya. And one a bit closer.
Thank you.
Yes, just like that. Awesome, yeah, one standing like this, like head like that. Perfect, stay there. Okay, nice, check these out.
Yeah. Oh, amazing.
These are nice, I like
nicer,
these ones.
Nicer, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, that's a good one.
and look at these with the bike.
Yeah. Oh, that's a good one. The smelling one was good. They're very nice.
They're gonna look cool, they're gonna look cool.
Oh, awesome.
And once I finish as well, when you message me on IG, well, or here, I'll send you a link to download the pictures.
Yeah. Oh,
And then you
love
can have the
that.
photos.
Yeah, deal. Yeah, have
Yeah.
fun here.
Awesome,
Bye,
nice to
cheers,
meet you.
bye,
See you
take
later.
care.
Bye.